Welcome to Dex. In this video, you will learn how to view and search invoices in Dex so you can quickly find the records you need. From the Dex dashboard, click Invoices to view all created invoices. The grid displays key details such as invoice number, customer, amount due, status, and location. You can also sort by date created to quickly review the most recent activity. Use the status filter to focus on invoices such as paid, past due, or pending. Use the location filter to narrow results to a specific location. To view more details, click anywhere on an invoice row. Dex opens the full invoice, where you can review, download, or print it if you have access. If you have edit permissions and the invoice is still unpaid, you'll see an edit option. Use it to update details like due dates, notes, or line items. And that's how to view and search invoices in Dex. Use filters and sorting to quickly find exactly what you need.